Hello everyone, this is the next practical and experiment name is the speed control of DC motor. Aim of this experiment to study the speed controlling of DC motor or to string variation of the speed of DC motor by using silicon controlled rectifier. Then meaning of speed control of DC motor. What is DC motor? A DC motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. In a DC motor, the input electrical energy is the direct current which is transferred into mechanical rotation, which means that any electric motor that is operated using a direct current or DC is called a DC motor. This motor used in trains because of their high torque and good speed control. Then apparatus means which apparatus are using this experiment are 10 volt power supply, DC motor, multimeter, etc. Then component, which components are used? ACR SN100 diodes, then volume control, resistors, capacitors, etc. Then circuit diagram description. At firstly, 18 volt alternating current power supply means our internal power supply is firstly connected to the SCR SN100. Okay, SCR SN100 this is an 3-pin device, that means cathode, anode and gate. Cathode is an neutral, anode is load and gate is the low voltage trigger. Pulse is given to this pin to turning on the SCR. Okay, SCR at point terminal A is connected to the 18 volt alternating current power supply, and then the second terminal of alternating current voltage is goes to the ground, and then gate of this SCR gate parsonic resistor 1K in parallel with 0.1 microfarad capacitor. Okay, this capacitor is a ceramic capacitor. Use this capacitor for power decoupling, having a smooth power in your circuit diagram or in a circuit. Then this terminal connected the cathode of the SCR. then 1K रेस्ट पासूनच एक सिरीजमध्ये एक डायोड आहे 1N4001, and this diode has a two terminal, anode and cathode. Anode is a current always enters through anode, and cathode is the current always exists through cathode. Okay, anode is connected the resistor 1K and cathode is connected the 100 ohm resistor, and this resistor goes to the 10K power supply in variable pin. Okay, and then the second terminal of port 10K is goes to the 1N4001 diode, means the it has a two terminal, anode and cathode. Anode is always enters through anode, and cathode current always exists through cathode. Diode is which allows current flow through only one direction. Okay, this one terminal is connected to the port variable and second is ground, and 10K रेजिस्टन्स म्हणजे पॉट आहे तिथूनच त्याच्या सिरीजमध्ये एक कॅपॅसिटर आहे 0.2 मायक्रोफॅराड. ओके, and this is the circuit, and lastly कॅथोड पासून आपले 12 volt power supply DC motor 12 volt DC motor आहे कनेक्ट केलेली. one terminal is connected to the cathode, and DC motor second terminal is connected the ground. Okay, this is our circuit diagram description. Then we observe the observation table, resistance between A and B, and that's where is voltage across DC motor in volt. Okay, then the graph. Okay, plot the graph of voltage across DC motor against resistance between A and B, and the nature of the graph is follows. means R is the resistance between resistors A and B, and volt is the output voltage across DC motor. रेजिस्टन्स आहे ते ए आणि बी रेजिस्टन्स आहे ते एक्स ॲक्सिसवरती आणि आउटपुट व्होल्टेज आहे ते वाय ॲक्सिसवरती घ्यायचे. आणि नेचर ऑफ ग्राफ दिलेला आहे. ओके, देन कमेंट फ्रॉम ऑब्झर्वेशन अँड ग्राफ वी कॅन से दॅट द स्पीड ऑफ DC motor can be controlled, that is when the resistance between the point A and B increases, the gate current of ACR also increases, hence the ACR triggers earlier, hence the current through ACR increases, which increases the voltage across DC motor, hence the speed of DC motor is increases, thus the speed is controlled. Here our chart description is complete. Okay, this is our chart description for the experiment speed control of DC motor. Okay, thank you all of you.